yesterday we were playing a game that really makes me mad because I always die because I'm fail. I'm bad at this. And I just fell. Face palm. Yep, and yep. That was nice. I didn't even try to fly. I just died. Shit, I tried to fly. You're now this game. What the? It's nothing like Fortnite. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. See, you can just press one. This game makes no sense. Hold up. What the hell is this? Really? This game's rigged. He's a hacker. It'll make me mad now. Cause I know I'm not really I know I'm not really good at these kind of games because I'm not good at battle royales or something. Got him. So you can't always trust with the AR. AKA assault rifle. Hit him again. See, I'm horrible, but somehow I made. Oh, it's even got crouch now. I don't think it had crouch, but now it does for me. Hold up. What? Noob. Oh, what the? I'm on here. Bye. Bye. I'm out here, dude. I'm out of here. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh. Well, that sucks. For me. Really? I'm out of here. You gotta use rockets and just. Help me, help me, help me. Lord, help me. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh my god, how did I die? How did I not die? Lord, you are failing me. Can't always trust your AR, boy. Boy. Boy with that hoodie. That buddy with that hoodie. Soulful. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Shut up with your science. Well, never mind. That made no sense. Oh my god. Really, nigga? Must be a thing. Where's the sniper? No. That's it. That's it. It sounds quiet. My AR is not trusty. No AR is trusty, so I will probably die from this AR. Oh, okay. You know what? This game sucks. Tram. Hey, still I fucking swear to God. Ah, you motherfucker. Really? Ah. That's it, you know what? Bust down. Really, Nika? Really, Fika? Yeah, about that. Bye. Get wrecked. Sky shot. Well, not really a sky shot anymore. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Didn't know I had to say bye.
This
When you felt like being nice.
I'm daring. I'm not deadlocks. No, I'm not on the deadlocks. Okay, we're just gonna do this. What the? Oh my god, 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 B, come on, B. What the? Ah, face palm. I did not try to fly. You know what's gonna try to fly? It's a wing. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna play this. Wrecked noob. Get wrecked. Get out of here, son. Oh, you wanna go on? Oh, let's go. Oh, yeah, that's right. I'm playing with you. I killed the one. Get wrecked, son. Get out of here, son. Huh? Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Oh, whoa. Well, I'm dead, of course, like always. But I killed a lot of people, though. So how was your day, huh? Yep. Hopefully it was good. Yeah, it was good. That's nice. That's not good. My life. That's depressing what I just said. I'm not gonna say. Let's go, son. Sonny boy. I totally lost. We only got... Just got 29 kills. Overtaker, Undertaker. I got 7 kills. Woo-doo-doo. I was in third place. Woo-doo-doo. You must be hacking or something. I swear I didn't hack it. Oh, no. I move fast. I'm on T. I move fast. Hurry up and get your bad. I move fast. Just gonna build the border. Yep. Mexican border. Yep. The Great Wall of the Mina. What? Let's get out of here, son. Come on, let's just fight now. Oh, man, what if I went up right up there, right there? I would die, and I would suffer die. What kind of sniper rifle you have? You could just shoot it down like that. Dummy. Oh crap, he's got a sniper. Someone's sniper. Sniper! Pussy. Oh, what the? Oh, hell. What the? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh my god, don't do that. I thought you Godzilla over there. What? Stop. Stop. Okay. I'm good. What's up? What's with you? No, get out of here. Oh. Get out of here. Oh. depression and obsession. There we go. We got some singing up here. You know what I feel like? I feel like I'm dead. That's how bad I feel like. Alright, look at my mustache. Don't shut up. You know what? Killed my opponent. I won. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. What the? Got a rocket. Holy hell to the hell. Oh my god. We're gonna fight, little sissy girl. We can fight, little sissy girl. What? Ah, balls. Balls. Kick him off. Kick him out. He's hacking. Kick him. That's it. That's what she said. What the? Hey, you just sending me. That's, you know what? Shotgun. What? Shotgun up in here. Get out of here, son. Ah, you cheating. What? No. Yeah, never mind. I know why. What the? Seriously, what the hell? Sniping with that. Let's go, boy. A BG. So, you know what? I'm just gonna cheat. Okay, just go like this, go like this. Come on, we can do it, we can do it. Come on, we can do it, we can do it. Hey! Ha, ha, ha. Hey! Ha, ha. So. The novice expect me opening the door. You expect me to go to the girls' bathroom? I mean, yeah, because I'm a girl, right? I'm not a girl. Trust me, don't. Oh my god. Bye, I'm out here. Team out. Ah, what the heck? Packer. What? I'm hacking. Wait, what? Yeah, I hacked. Yeah. I didn't hack. I don't know how that happened. I'll kill you. What? Ha, get exposed, boy. Exposed. Expose your face, little girl. My heart is rating, like my heart rate is real bad. I don't know why. I'm just crying right now. And I look like I made it go right there. Holy heck. Heck you. Said it. What? Got it. Point for Scotty. Beam me up, Scotty. Beam me up. Don't beam me up, please. I don't want to die yet. I don't want to die yet. Get it? You know, you guys don't get it yet. I don't want to die yet. Like, die and then die yet. No, you don't get it. It's just one of my jokes. Get out of here. I don't know. Bring me up. Oh my god, they just rocket me. Get out of here. Get out of here. What the? Oh my god. Oh, I hate this. Get out of here, son. What? Yeah, see that? Blu-ray, baby. I got 2 gold. I got 2